Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we work on a Toro Recycler 22 Smart Stow push mower. Reason they brought it in is the speed control cable. The speed control cable is broke. I ordered a new cable and I'll show you an easy way how to install it. So hope you enjoy the video. You can see, I'll put it on closer here. See where the cable broke out of its casing and it's supposed to go up here on that little thing right there. That's one thing bad about leaving your push mower out in the rain and stuff. Rain will go down here and it'll rust the cable out, then it won't move. So when you move the handle, it'll usually break off. Then it goes right down here. And being the carburetor and everything's on this side of the lawnmower, we can go ahead and lay it on its side on the other side. You don't never want to lay a lawnmower on the side of the carburetor stuff because all the oil in the crankcase will go in the carburetor and ruin your filter and stuff. But you can flip it over on this side, and here's the end of the cable right here that goes on this gearbox. It pulls it up and it tightens the belt to go. And I'll grab the new cable here. It has a little clip right here that goes in the frame where that hole is up there. So I gotta get a pair of needle nose and squeeze this and push it through. So I'll grab a long pair of needle nose here. I like the bent needle nose, but a straight pair will work good too. I like using a pair like this. I'll grab a light so you can kind of see what I'm doing. It's kind of dark in there. Just kind of squeeze them two tabs together and come on the outside here. Popped it out. So just pop that spring out of that little hole right there. And that bigger hole, that's where the spring fits through. And there we go. So I'll grab the new cable, feed it through that hole. And hook it back on that bracket there. Alright. Now, on the smaller part of the hole up there, just push that outside the cable until it clicks. And there you go. We got that part done. So let me put it back on its wheels and we'll hook up the other part. It's really simple to do this. You don't need to take it to a shop or anything. Just order your cable from either your local Toro dealer or online. There's Parts Tree online or eBay or Amazon would have them too. Okay, let's take this nut off here. And that's how much the outside of the cable was sticking out. So we'll put the new one right about there, then we'll start up and try it out. And we got the old cable out. Let's grab the new one. I believe it's about like that far right there. And we'll get it running and we can always adjust it. I guess before we do that, let's hook it on there. So when we push our handle, see how it's moving? It's like it's hard to explain, but these are one of the mowers where the slower you push it, it'll stay that speed. If you push it faster, it'll go faster. Kind of a neat setup, actually. But like I said, we'll get it off the table and I'll start it up. We might have to loosen that. Might have to loosen that here. Loosen this nut and either slide this cable, make it looser or make it tighter. Okay, just took it off the table. So when I start up, it should want to roll forward. Then the only way it's going to roll forward is if I push down on this control. Squeeze the flywheel brake down. It's set perfect. Anyways, I hope this video helps you out. I appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyway, you guys have a good afternoon.